Hi, I'm Candid with Free Tours by Foot, and welcome to San Francisco. I'm here to tell you all about the things that you can do and how to prepare for the weather when visiting in March. There are some great things to do in San Francisco all year round, and we talk all about our top 10, and specifically things to do at night, family friendly, things that are free on our blog posts and videos. High on everyone's list is a visit to Alcatraz, and March is a great time to visit because it's the last month of their winter season, which means you can expect fewer crowds. About halfway through the month, Alcatraz Cruises, which is the only way you can get to the island, changes from their slower winter schedule to more departure times in their summer schedule. Of course, we recommend joining us for a walking tour. We offer tours year-round throughout the city, from the Golden Gate Bridge to Lombard Street to Chinatown.
He rode his horse through San Francisco and rode it right through Portsmouth Square here, and he held this jar of gold up in the air and he yelled out, "Gold! Gold from the American River!"
And if our walking tour schedule doesn't fit yours, we also have self-guided tours and GPS-enabled audio tours that can fit into your schedule. March is a great time to visit San Francisco, but it's still a little bit cool. So you'll need some layers, some sweaters, but you're not going to need a heavy coat. It does rain in March, but more than half of the month is going to be sunny. The beginning of the month is going to see more rain than the end, but even then, it's only sporadic. You'll find morning lows mostly in the mid to upper 40s Fahrenheit, about 8 to 9 Celsius, and the afternoon highs low to mid 60 Fahrenheit, about 16 to 17 Celsius. So don't come expecting to lounge in the sun, but that's not why you come to San Francisco anyway. So once you've packed those layers and good walking shoes, you'll want to know what to explore. A visit to the Golden Gate Bridge is a must, and you could take advantage of the cooler weather to make sure you don't break a sweat on a walk or a bike ride across the bridge. Visiting on Pi Day, the number, not the apple dessert, will garner you name your own price entrance, which is our favorite type of admission cost, to the Exploratorium. Explore a number of hands-on exhibits that focus on human perception, science, and art. So those visiting on March 14th can choose how much they pay. You can also take advantage of San Francisco History Days in the beginning of March. So the first weekend of March, the Old Mint, a historic site in the city, opens its doors to a number of organizations to come and tell the public all about the city's unique past. This event is free and open to all ages. You will find plenty of home games for the Golden State Warriors. That's basketball, in case anyone didn't know. They're just over the bay in Oakland, just like a 30-minute drive, 15-minute BART ride to get over. They say everyone is Irish on March 17th, or really whatever weekend falls closest to that, and San Francisco is no exception. You will find a number of special deals at Irish pubs and restaurants, and everyone gets to celebrate the St. Patrick's Day Parade, which goes down Market Street ending at the Civic Center Plaza. Personally, I think the best way to visit a city is through its food and drink, and March in San Francisco offers a number of food and beverage festivals, from beer, whiskey, wine, and chocolate. But make sure your culinary exploring takes you to the Golden Gate Cookie Factory. This is one of the last places where you can see this post-dinner treat being folded and handmade. March is a bit of a transition month from the wet winter to the cool spring. But since there really isn't a bad time to visit San Francisco, we say come on down. You'll be beating the tourist rush and able to get some great deals. And after daylight savings time, the days are longer and you'll have more daytime to explore. A good way to get some discounts and great deals, and in some cases skip the line at entrances, is to look into a San Francisco Tourist Discount Pass. We have a blog post and video all about the different type of passes that are on offer, so you can figure out which one is going to be best for you. If you have any questions about visiting San Francisco in March, let us know in the comment section below, or just pop down to say hi. Our channel covers things to do and travel advice for cities all over the world, so be sure to subscribe here or here, I'm not sure where the button is, so you can be kept up to date on all of our new videos, or just live vicariously through our travels. Visit our website at freetoursbyfoot.com to find out more about our walking tours in San Francisco and beyond.